Hello and welcome to the LVI YouTube channel. My name is Chanel and I'm going to be talking you through this little tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to add a wireless device to the DSC Impassa self-contained two-way wireless security system. If you'll look here, we have the panel, which actually has a built-in two-way audio Vox and push-to-talk alarm communication. It also supports 64 wireless zones and 16 wireless keys. It has a real-time clock that updates using cellular modules, and you can program up to 17 user access codes. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the programming of a wireless device. First, we're going to get ourselves into programming mode. To do that, all you have to do is press star 8. Next, the panel is going to ask for an access code. This code is 5555 if that hasn't been changed from the original default. Now, we're going to go ahead and put in the section for wireless devices. This is 898, and this can be found in your user manual. Now the panel should say wireless enrollment mode. Next, all you have to do is pull apart the magnet and the door contact. After that beep, the panel will show you the ESN number. You can confirm that by hitting the star. Zone 2 for our panel is good. Let's continue. Zone type 1 is good for a door contact or a window contact, so we'll keep this one. Just hit star. The panel will then tell you to activate the device for a test. All you have to do here is pull apart the magnet from the door contact and you'll hear a loud single beep. The panel will tell you that the location is good, so we're all set here. All you need to do is hit the pound a couple of times to get all the way out of those menus and back to the original home screen. We chose type 1 because it's a door contact, and this gives you a delay to get in or out when you alarm the panel. There are many ways to program this, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And here you can see it on the door working, and we have our chime on, so every time the door opens, you'll hear those quick 5 beeps. Thanks for joining us. We hope that helped. Don't forget to subscribe. LVI is here, protecting today for a safer tomorrow.